What the fuck is this thing?
I'm an Anomalocaris.
What do you do?
I do my best.
This is Anomalocaris, a bizarre-looking animal. Its name translates as the abnormal shrimp, and in the tropical shallows 508 million years ago, it's the world's first apex predator, unlike jellyfish, shrimp. With the coast clear, the trilobite continues on its merry way once more. It's searching for one of the ancient ocean's greatest sights, the trilobite mating grounds, where thousands come together to breed. In the story of life, armor has been such a success that today nearly 80% of all animals, including insects, spiders, and crabs, are related to this ancient arthropod.